Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am bringing you Food Friday in a different type of way. I know lately I've been sharing and doing a few of my recipes with you guys, but today I thought I would sit down and try new snacks that I haven't tried before. I texted a few of my friends to send me some suggestions of snacks that they love, that they think I'm also going to love. I got a bag full of goodies that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So I'm excited. We got some popcorn. We got these guys, Concho? I'm so sorry if I mispronounce them. We got some chips. These I already love. Shout out to Yomani for showing me these guys. They're so good. I'm really excited for these guys right here. Also picked up these guys right here. And some Tajín peach rings. I think I'm gonna get started with the chocolatey stuff. My friend Valerie texted me. Shout out to her. She came through, you guys. She sent me so many good items to try, and I'm gonna start with these guys right here. These are like a chocolate, it's a choco biscuit, and the name is Concho. Anyways, you take it out, and it comes in this little packaging. So cute, kind of, let's see. And then you have cookies in there. I'm really picky. So inside the little baggie come these little cookies, and they're filled with chocolate in the inside. These are good. Too chocolatey for my taste. Yeah. It's like a cookie with chocolate in the inside, and I feel like they're kind of like crunchy but then gooey in the inside. I don't know how to explain it. Pretty good. I would say I would definitely try these again. I think I'm gonna try the popcorn. Okay, so this is the Cheetos popcorn cheddar. I meant to get the hot one. Not excited. Okay, whatever. Anyways, it's just popcorn. I thought I was getting the flaming hot. It's just popcorn. I literally, it's still good. I actually haven't had this. I'm disappointed. I thought it was the flaming hot. No. It's good. It just tastes like regular cheddar popcorn. I thought I was getting the flaming hot. Whatevers. I wore the wrong lipstick for this video. Potato chips, but they're spicy. Why can't I open? I mean, they don't smell like anything. Yeah. Definitely more like a barbecue taste. But they're good. They're not bad. I just probably won't buy them again. Look how cute the teddy. It almost looks like a cookies and cream type of deal. Okay, so you push right there. It comes out. There's the packaging. Ah! I'm excited. Okay, ready guys? Ooh, 2 came out. Oh, it literally looks like the packaging. Ah! Yeah. These are good. These right here, so good. I would definitely buy again. Okay, I think I'm gonna try these now. So these are literally like Maruchans, or they are Maruchans, and I'm gonna be eating Maruchans. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh my god. So these guys come with a little packet. That's the flavor. And then look at this, you guys. Straight up Maruchan. Giovanni. But no, okay, this says how to enjoy. Step 1, open the package, take out the spice, and smash noodle. Step 2, sprinkle spice. Step 3, shake and enjoy. So I took out the spice. I'm gonna crush it. Coco's like, what are you doing? It's literally like ramen. Then you grab your packet of flavor or spices and you dump it in. This stuff is actually really good, and it could be because I love Maruchans, but then you... Coco's scared. Coco, it's okay. And then you have the Maruchans ready to eat. And then now it has a little bit of flavor. This one actually is spicy. This one's actually spicy, you guys. This says, don't boil, smash it. I'm gonna finish my water. Oh my god. I think the thing with these is it kind of reminds me when I was little and I would just crush up a bag of Maruchan, throw the chicken seasoning in there and just eat it like that. My mom did not like that because she always said we were gonna get a bunch of worms in our tummy and we were gonna get sick, and we still did it. Now you got chips that are literally Maruchans, but better? I don't know. Anyways, I like these. I'm eating this damn popcorn and I'm so disappointed. But it's good. I'm surprised my lipstick is not everywhere. Alright guys, so now I'm going to try the Jam Strawberry Cream Cracker Stick with Dip. Is this like the Nutella? Ooh. So you got your little sticks. And then you got, oh, how cute. Ah! This is so cute, you guys. Mmm. Oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna grab a cookie. I'm gonna dip it. Ooh. I'm gonna dip it. Yes. Ooh. That was so good. Oh my god. I love these. I'm literally going to be going to H Mart now and getting these. So far, my mouth is just like, yes, keep eating these guys right here. But I'm going to stop because I still have 4 more things to try. So let me run to my fridge and I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Oh my god, I'm so out of breath just running to the kitchen and back. But I am going to try something to drink now. This is like a non-carbonated soft drink. So I'm wondering if it's like milky or not. Anyways, it's flavored lychee, however you pronounce it. I actually love lychee, but I haven't ever tried this drink before, so let's try it. Let's try it. Oh my god, I'm excited. It's like, wow, I love this stuff. It's literally drinking. This is amazing. Oh my god. I love this stuff. Yum, yum, yum. Moving on from drinks, I bought some ice cream. I don't know if I'm late to the party or not, but I have never tried Mochi Ice Cream. And I decided what a better way to try it than when I sit down and try new snacks. So here I am, about to try it. I looked at all the flavors. There was like green tea, coffee, chocolate, vanilla. But I thought those are all basic. I want to try something different. I got plum wine flavor. I'm nervous because I'm so picky and it looks so different, but I did open it. I got it when I was at work, so I had 2 of my coworkers try it because I just needed to know whether they approved or not. Anyways, this comes in this little packaging. They look funny. I can't even, you guys. So they're little bolitas. And it's ice cream, so I have to eat it all. Okay, it's powdery and cold. Do you guys see? No, you guys can't see that, but doesn't really have a smell. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm nervous. I don't know why I put lipstick on. It's like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's actually really good. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. I think I want to try the coffee flavor. I think that would be really, really good. Actually really good. So I also I got 2 different kinds of ice creams and now I'm regretting it because I'm already really full. But and I still have, oh my god. Ah! I feel bad because I'm opening all of this up and I'm not really finishing it. They're creamy and fruity, so we shall try. I actually love coconut ice cream, so comes in a little packaging. I've actually never seen them before. I'm so full. Wow. So full from that ice cream. Okay, let's take it out. Ooh. It's just like a paleta. Mmm. I'm not gonna finish it. I'm putting it back and throwing it back into my fridge because I can't finish it. I'm too full, but that mochi ice cream got everywhere. The powder got everywhere. Okay guys, I'm gonna be trying the tahine peach rings. I haven't tried anything with like tahine or chamoy or those Instagram candies, but let's try it. I'm scared. That's what it looks like. Literally a peach ring with tahine on it. They're not bad, but they're not my favorite either. I feel like they're too chewy, and I thought they were gonna get stuck to my teeth, and I hate that feeling when I'm eating gummies. When I eat them, I will probably finish them, but I don't know. They're not convincing me yet. Guys, it's kind of late. It's about to be 9 and I'm over here eating all these snacks. And my lipstick survived. But that's everything for tonight, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up. Yeah. Leave me some snack suggestions down below. I'm definitely going to be trying more things out, doing more food videos, and next week I will have a recipe for you guys. Bye guys, see you on the next one.